everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you. We're diving into the world of AI-powered video enhancement, where we'll show you how to upscale your AI-generated videos to stunning 4K resolution using the incredible AI Video Enhancer. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or simply someone who wants to take their video quality to the next level, this is a must-watch. But before we get started, if you enjoy learning about cutting-edge technology and creative solutions, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. AI Video Enhancer is a game changer. It's an advanced tool that uses artificial intelligence to upscale video resolution, improve image quality, and make your footage truly spectacular. Now, let's dive into the technology behind AI Video Enhancer and VideoProc Converter AI. These tools rely on powerful AI algorithms that have been trained on vast datasets of videos, enabling them to understand and improve video content intelligently. Step 1. Download and install. First, download and install VideoProc Converter AI from the link provided in the description. It's optimized for best compatibility, but keep in mind that AI processing requires powerful hardware. Make sure your system meets the requirements through the link provided. Step 2. Upscale your video. Open VideoProc Converter AI and click on Super Resolution. Drag one or more videos into the program. If your video has multiple tracks, you can select a specific track for processing. To view video details like format, size, and resolution, click on the information icon. Step 3. Choose Super Resolution type. For videos featuring real-life content, such as nature and vlogs, choose the Reality type. For animations, select the Anime type. You can adjust noise levels using low to reduce artifacts and high for extremely noisy animations. Step 4. Scaling your video. Now, select how much you want to scale up your video's resolution. Options include 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times the original resolution. For instance, you can upscale a video 4 times to achieve a stunning 4K resolution. Take a preview to see the differences. Keep in mind that higher scaling ratios can boost resolution but may introduce unnatural sharpness. It's recommended to experiment with different ratios for the best result. Step 5. Export the upscaled video. You can select a specific portion of the video for export by dragging the knobs. Adjust the video codec, audio codec, and GOP length as needed. Then, simply click Run to start analyzing and exporting the upscaled video. Step 6. Enhance video quality. If you want to restore old, noisy, grainy, and compressed videos without upscaling the resolution or enhance the quality of already high-definition videos, this feature can help. Navigate to the Super Resolution panel. Drag one or more video files into the program. Click Enhance Video Image, and VideoProc Converter AI will begin processing your video. You'll notice a clear enhancement in picture quality. Step 7. Export the enhanced video. Finally, click Run to start analyzing and exporting the enhanced video. And there you have it. VideoProc Converter AI can turn your low-quality footage into crystal clear, high-resolution results. Give it a try now and experience the difference. So, what are the benefits of using VideoProc Converter AI for your projects? Quality transformation. AI Video Enhancer ensures that your video quality is greatly enhanced, even if your original footage was in a lower resolution. VideoProc Converter AI helps you fine-tune the enhanced video for your specific needs. 4K ready. With a 4K enhanced video, you'll have a file that's perfect for displaying on high-definition screens and even for professional editing. Versatility. You can upscale and optimize various types of videos, making AI Video Enhancer and VideoProc Converter AI essential tools for all video creators. With your 4K enhanced video ready to go, the possibilities are endless. You can showcase your masterpiece on your website, social media platforms, or even submit it to film festivals for that breathtaking big screen experience. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can upscale AI-generated videos to 4K using AI Video Enhancer and VideoProc Converter AI. It's a remarkable opportunity to elevate your video content to a whole new level. And these tools make it easier than ever before. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and become part of our growing community. Thanks for watching, and until next time.